All right. Well, we're back with part 4. I think. Hold on. Yeah, part 4. So, if you haven't seen my other 3 parts, please go watch those. I'm really happy that my first one got that so far. So, anyways, let's continue. As of yesterday, I was trying out my hats and whatnot, and I upgraded the fridge. So that means that I have the new world to go to. So let's hit it. Alright, let's go. New world. Let's check it out. First thing I do when I get into all new worlds is achievements. Light bulb store, supermarket, raceway, dojo, bank. Okay, and then there's just stuff around. I'm wondering what this is. Hold on. There's a junk bot in the... Oh yeah, that's that one upgrade. Okay. Ooh. So over here, we have the junk bot. Favorite guy in the world. He's so good. Alright, so basically it will let me glide around like an airplane. He doesn't show you where the scraps are though. Lucky for me, I actually know where they are. So use this as a tutorial if you want. So if I come back to where FridgeBot is, and we head this way, the area we need to get to will be right here. It is this place. So you're just gonna fly up here and come right here. These crates are where you're gonna find your scraps. So that's scrap 1. And then scrap 2, I'm pretty sure, is like on that building-ish. I'll get it real quick. So, yeah. Basically, there are these little chests all around the map that you want to try and collect. Your next scrap is gonna be up here. You want to try and this is really hard to get to. I struggled badly trying to get to this first one when I watched a YouTube tutorial on it. Mainly because it's just hard to do. They did some crazy movement that I'm not trying to replicate. Cause golly, bro. So I recommend just doing that and then getting onto this air conditioner, and then this air conditioner, and hopping up. Because if I'm correct, it should, and then you just walk over here, fly across. No, I'm on the wrong building. I think. Right? No. So yeah, you just have to get onto this building, and then here's your nail. And then the other crate is at a train station. So if you come down to here and you come over this way, there will be a crate back here. Oh my god. Back here. And this will give you the rocket. Now for the last crate. Oh yeah, I remember. Okay. So the last crate, if you went in the order I did, is up here. Then we go back to FridgeBot because that's the only way I know how to find things in this world. By going from FridgeBot and taking a certain path over there. If we come over to there will be a big building with like a hole in it, kind of, not really, but like, I don't think you actually have to do this. I am, because I think this is where it is, but I'm not positive. I'm just getting a bird's eye view, you know? Okay, so yeah, no, it's not up here. For a fact. Okay, uh-oh. So, where is it? I know what building I'm looking for. It's a big gray building, kind of like that, but not. That has like a upper area that I can get onto. I just can't remember precisely where it was. So I'm just gonna hop around for a bit, seeing if I can find it. Huh. Where did that building go? I know it's somewhere nearby. I'm so confused right now. I literally remember that building, but I can't find it anymore. I know I remember the building that it was at, I just don't remember where the building was. Is it over here? Oh no. Uh-oh. Might have to rewatch another video just for this scrap. As you can tell, it's quite hard to find. Okay. I'm lost. I swear that building was over here somewhere. Yeah. Okay. So he said, come up here. And then it's like, he told me to jump up onto this. And then fly. I think it's in there, if I'm not mistaken. That ain't getting me enough air. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was in there, but... Yeah, okay. So, you jump up onto that, and then you, like, fly around to there, and then hover onto this air conditioner, and then up here, and then you double jump, hit that, and right here is where you'll find it. Okay. I might make this one a little shorter and then just like do more parts for this map because my ones that are really long aren't getting that many views given. Then again though, they've also been out for 2 days or 1 day, so I mean honestly can't really blame them. Okay, so with these upgrade, they're really not that good. But if I press LT while in the air, or falling off a ledge, rather, it lets me glide. Not hover like this one does, and not like full on fly. It lets me just glide. So, I'm gonna go get a certain achievement, because if I'm not glide through all the star rings. Oh, yeah, no. Rooftop picnic, lantern jingles, tower spire, rickety shelter, distant storm, dusty duct, suspicious surveillance, and roof. Okay, well, I'm going to the light bulb store. Because that's where an achievement is that I think I can get. I can't get up that way. But yeah, so this new upgrade is okay. It's not the best, only because it does require you to actually be already rolling off the ledge. Or not rolling, but like, it requires you to be up high if you do actually want to go places. So what are these light bulbs do? What do they do? Oh hey, interesting and exciting, isn't it? What's it do? 1,000 star points? Yo! For a light bulb? What do they even do? Um, I'm assuming they changed the color of your face by star points. Let me guess, Robux. Yeah, I thought so. No. Oh, darn. Well, now I need to get the star points, because look at that. Purple flames, dude. Oh, that's so... Okay, well, let's go get this ticket. Thought so. I saw the broken vent and in here, and I'm like, Okay. Well, I'm wondering what to do next, because I may go to the supermarket or something. But then there's also a bunch of other things. Like, I might do one of these. The star rings thing is just, oh my god. That's gonna be so annoying to do if I do it. Come on, come on, come on. Reach, reach, reach. Yes. Oh, nice. Look at that. You're supposed to be all the way up there to glide through all of those. How many star rings even are there in this map? I should Google search that. That'd be a nice... It's time for a little Google search. Oh, come on. Oh, come... Bro. You'll come to realize I hate this upgrade with my whole heart. Cause, holy bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna... I swear, bro. This game sometimes. I'm up. Oh. What? So how do I activate my wings? Do I have to be rolling off the edge? I do. Okay. Well, that makes more sense. Ooh. Go, go, go. No. No. I missed. I missed. Bro. Alright. Let's go. Okay, wait. So from right about here is where I want to go from. No. More here. Nope. 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 Okay. Dang. Oh my god. It's a hard concept to get a hang of, guys. The ability to glide without actually gliding. Because we already have an ability to glide. Except we can't, like, glide far, but this one, apparently, you really can't either, so... Okay, no. So, from right here Nope, we undershot. We undershot. Oh. From right about this roof here. Didn't we already try that? No, we tried from there. One, two, three. Got it. Out of 30? 30 of them? Okay, now look for the storm / lightning. What are you? Hey, you have some ticket in you. Or something in you. Ooh, what can I say? Rickety shelter. Okay. I wouldn't call it rickety, just not the best. Dip. Okay, I wanna go. Okay, well. Okay, hold on. Sorry, I have to go to this places, so consider subscribing and consider subscribing. Wait, so never mind. False alarm. I don't have to leave yet. Okay. Okay, so what achievement do I want to do next? Um, they all seem so hard. I guess we could try to do rooftop picnic. I just don't know where it would be. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Knew it. You can't really land on that one. You kind of have to like. You gotta get there under natural causes. You gotta like. And then you can. Note your heat blasts can't even hit it right. Okay. Did it anyways. Rooftop picnic. I'm just gonna keep climbing, you know? Till I find something. Just keep climbing. We'll see if we can find a rooftop picnic from up here. But, oh, is that it? No, that's just a bunch of baskets on it, on a roof. Crouch jumping also gives you a boost. Sure it does. Like a 4 centimeter boost. It does nothing. Oh, wait. Actually? Okay, yeah, it does give you a boost, but like a very small. Run, run, run. Find solid. Solid. This guy looks like he knows where he's going. Oh, no, okay. I'm not making that back. Okay, no. Does that mean I have to restart? I do, huh? Up, up, up. Okay. Jump! Uh-oh, I forgot to double jump. No! Okay. All this for a ticket is crazy. But I do want to 100% the game before the new update comes out, so. Because there is a third world coming soon. We don't know the specific dates, but in the, like, update log, it says third world coming soon. Did we just pass through a cloud? We did. Okay. Keep it up, you're doing great. I'm assuming it's leading us to something, given the fact that it's telling us advantages on how to climb this building and giving us a clear pathway. So, it's obviously leading us to something. Just what is the question? How? I don't even think I can hover that far. Maybe if I double jump. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes. Okay. Man, look at that aurora. Oh yeah, we made it to the tip. Now to just grab the ticket and look out from here. Look for any rooftop picnics. I don't see any. I didn't see any rooftop picnics. It wants us to fly from here to down there, taking a sharp right to get to there. I understand the assignment. I don't understand the assignment. Does it want us to go from here? No way, you could not make that. It wants us to go from this building's roof. I'm gonna real quickly reclimb. Can I not wall jump after double jumping anymore, or no? So, reclimb this building. But this time actually climb it. No, because last time I just went over to there and then hop across. While we're at it, look for any rooftop picnics. I don't see any. No way it wants us to go from here. It has to want us to go from here. Come on. I don't even think. No, I don't know. I may not even get that. No, I need every achievement to 100% the game. I was gonna say, I may not even get that achievement. And then I realized, nah, because you need every achievement if I want to 100% the game. It's gonna be so treacherous. 99% the game? No. Okay, let's head somewhere. Anywhere. Just let's go to, like, the grocery store. I don't know. Let's just go somewhere where I won't be haunted by these god-awful achievements. Okay. Let's see. Where's the grocery store? Oh. I didn't think that far ahead. Is there a place I can even unlock right now? How much is it to unlock this? 600? That must be the bank. I'm not actually sure where the grocery store is. I know it's somewhere. I just don't know where. This is the dojo for 400. There's something down here too though. It's the ooh, what is it? 600 is here. 94 needed to unlock what? Ooh, little mini island. Who knows what could be over there? Get up here. Up here or? No, we need more height. Alright. Oh yeah, see? 4, 5, got 6, and then all that's over here is a bunch of food. Okay. Well, that's actually not that bad. Here's my question. How are we gonna get back? Whatever. Alright. Maybe this won't be as bad as I thought it would. How much to unlock the racetrack? Ooh, also more food right here. How much to unlock the racetrack? 250. So that first area definitely is the like first area, you know? I'm gonna look down here for any broken rafters. And if I find any, I'm jumping into it immediately. Ooh! Ooh, I'm so smart. Oh yeah? In here? Grab the ticket. Nice. Okay, Dusty Ducked. I need to go enable comments on my videos. Because I always ask people to comment if they like the long videos, and then I realized I don't have comments enabled. Oh, nice. Food. Okay, so what's another easy-ish achievement that I could do? Rooftop picnic. Find this ticket on a rooftop. That doesn't give me anything. Find the hat ticket near jingling lanterns. Maybe. Find this hat ticket behind a cracked window. And then on a tall building's roof. Oh, okay. That one can be hard. I'm gonna do the like lanterns jingles thing. Cause oh yeah, well, that makes sense. That makes sense. The fact that it would be where every lantern in this game is. That makes so much sense. Oh my god. Oh, let me grab the ticket. Okay, nice. Now we're gonna do rooftop picnic. I don't want to do that one. I feel like it's gonna be some obscure thing. It's gonna tell you to go onto the roof of the largest building and look down. and it's just gonna spawn at your feet or something like that. Like, okay, um, let's do this. While we're at it, we should collect all of these, and then I'm going to do that parkour. Because we've checked all of these rooftops, right? Because, like, we went onto the tallest building's roof and there was nothing on any of these wide open roofs. So, let's check some more less known places. Because, right, they wouldn't, like, put it on a roof that's wide open and able to be seen from anywhere. Of course. So we have to like, we gotta really parkour our way up there. Hiya. Parkour, parkour ninja tactics. Hiya. Nope, that messed up. Grab here, pull up, land on this, fly over to here. Ooh, parkour. Like, I'd be less surprised if it was on one of these like short areas. On one of those roofs, you know? Because somewhere the tallest building can't see. That's where I'd be least surprised if it would be there. Like back here, you know? Thought so. Ooh, I'm so smart. Alright. Next up, I'm probably gonna do 2 more and then head out. So, or maybe. I don't know. I'm probably just gonna do like 1 more. Maybe this distant storm one. And then head out. Because so far it's like, it's been a lot. We've done quite a bit. So look for the. It said follow the lightning, right? Head in the direction of thunder. You mean lightning, I'm assuming, because I don't have my sound on. Do I need my sound on to get that ticket? I heard it. Just which way is it coming from? I heard it when I was over here. It's a lot darker over there than it is anywhere else. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's over here. I just need to get up there. Nah, it's whatever. Well, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing or not. I don't care. And, yeah.